Just noticed the off-the-shelf LED light bulbs in that chandelier there. Looks kind of funny. Sure, this was meant to have like filament bulbs. Just pretty funny. Look at this retro lobby. Welcome to 1974, but we've got an elevator here. Maybe we'll even go to New York's Face Place. Start with a down ride. It's our PI out there. I think you guys know this. This is the elevator Whitman Plaza. Start by going down. Island is maintaining it. Runs pretty nice. So yeah, I don't think TEII 2 lowercase l's is our real brand. This is suspected to be a Telfer, so let's let it start. This is a cool elevator. Kind of a funny quirk is that this isn't really completely flush here. Probably just a quirk from when it was installed. I think it's 50 years old now. A little more than 50 years old. I think 74 is when this is built. Yeah, it is a nice elevator. The starter actually got replaced recently. This thing used to start with quite a kick and doesn't really do that anymore. It just starts very smooth. You near it. Building used to be called Plaza, named after the guy that used to own it, or the guy that built it. But because they're lame, they renamed it the Whitman Plaza after he passed. That was quite the door lock there, don't you think? Very quirky old elevator is what this is. See, we don't have that same non-flush. You know what I mean. Can't find words when I'm filming. Anywho, that is it.